Hey guys, so today I have got my final Fright crate box. This one is the July one. I've not ordered any since this, so I probably won't get it for a while now. But this one is one of the best that there has been in a while, so that's good. For anyone that's not seen me open this before, there's two different boxes. There's a $20 box and a $30 box. I always get the $30 box, and it is an American one as well. I'm in the UK, so it works out to me about £47, which is very expensive. But sometimes it's worth it, sometimes it's not. At the start, I absolutely loved getting this box. I've had this for, I would say, years. But just lately I'm not absolutely loving it, so I'm not going to get it for a little while. But like I said, this one is good, so let's open it and see what is in it. So the first item that is on the top is the t-shirt. I would say this is my least favourite item in the whole box, purely because I'm just not into this film. So this is a size small, it's black, and the theme is Wishmaster. So this is what it looks like. I do love the colouring on them lately. The last one we got, I think, was pink and purple. This one again is like a really bright red and green, like a pinky red and green. Really nice and bright, but just not a film that I'm necessarily into, so that's the only reason that I'm not into that top. Then next we have our bust for the month, and this one is The Exorcist, which I'm very happy about. Finally, one of the big themes is what they've done as the bust. So this is Regan, although she does look a little weird. I think it's how wide her neck is, how it's been painted. Maybe if the hair kind of went further in like this, it would look a little better. Because they've left that like a skin colour, it does look a little bit odd, but definitely one of my favourite ones that we've had in a while. And I probably will keep this one, I'd say. Might repaint it, possibly. I'm not sure if I'll end up just ruining it, but I think she'd look better with like a less wide neck. So there is that. Then next we have our pin, which is from Motel Hell, and it looks like this. Now, I've never seen Motel Hell, but this pin is pretty cool. It kind of makes me want to watch it, and I will definitely be keeping this. It's like, I'm assuming this is a person with a pig mask on, but it might actually be a pig, I have no idea. But yeah, pig head and chainsaw. Very gory looking, really cool. I actually like this, so there is that. And then the last biggest item that I've wanted for months, that I thought was in a previous box and it wasn't, and it's in this box, is this giant Creature from the Black Lagoon mask. So it is in here, which I will get out because it's super loud. It does say on the little insert that this counts as 2 items, which I'm okay with because it is huge and it is really well made. And it is this. So obviously it's a little squashed because it's been in the box. But as you can see, it kind of goes down the back. It's got a split here so you can put it on. I did wear this the other day. It was on my Instagram page, so if you don't follow me, then feel free to go follow me on there because I post weird stuff on there sometimes. I'm not going to put this on now because I've got like a hat on and stuff, and it's really tight to get over your head. It looks like this is quite a big hole, but when you're trying to squidge your head in there, it's quite claustrophobic. There is openings on the eyes and the mouth, so mouth and then like above the eyes. Your eyes actually, like, you see out of the mouth. I thought it would be like seeing out of here, but your eyes stop here because it's so like tall. But yeah, I think if you put this on a little model head, like a styrofoam head or something, it would look so cool. So I'm definitely going to be keeping this. I'm not sure I've really got room to display it in here, but when I move house then I will definitely display this somewhere because it's really good quality. So this is the creature from the Black Lagoon mask, which we've all been waiting for a long time. The eyes are, I think, my favourite part. But yeah, just trying to show some kind of details on it and stuff. Very, very cool. So yeah, like I said, for once, actually really liked this box. The only thing that I wasn't that interested in was a t-shirt, and that's purely because I'm not interested in the film Wishmaster, which is perfectly fine. But yeah, I will quickly go over everything again. So there was the big creature mask, the Exorcist bust, the Motel Hell pin, and the Wishmaster t-shirt. So these 4 things in the July Fright crate. I will put all the info down below for them in case you want to go and check them out. They put their boxes on sale on the 1st of every month, so it's not currently available, but on the 1st then it will be. And yeah, I hope you liked this video. If you did, please subscribe, and I will see you soon. Bye guys.